Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol GBSN. This first chart is a daily chart, and each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. Okay, first of all, I'd just like to show you this what a bear flag is. As you can see, there's this yesterday on the 2nd there was this big drop and this huge red candle formed, and then there was a bounce and an ascending triangle pattern formed. So there's ascending support with a horizontal resistance line. The horizontal resistance line failed to break, and that formed this bear flag, and that signaled more downside risk. And then another red flagpole formed here, and it looked like maybe a bear flag was going to form, but resistance broke here with this candle closing above EMAs 4 and 8, and then this candle right here at 2 o'clock was your bull signal with the close just above the middle Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band is the dotted line, and this was signaling to you that this new uptrend was starting on the 15-minute chart, and that has continued into the open here on the 3rd. And so bulls, as long as candles are forming above the middle Bollinger Band and riding EMAs 4 and 8 support on the 15-minute chart, that equals more upside potential, and that equals an uptrend on this chart. If you look down here at MACD, you will see that when this was setting up and there was this close above EMA 8, right, there was this MACD bullish crossover. So it started crossing over with this candle with the close above EMA 4, and so the MACD bullish crossover combined with these candles breaking resistance was telling you that the bounce play was setting up, and that there was this new uptrend was starting. So these were your bull flags for future reference, and then the break above the middle Bollinger Band was the confirmation that this new uptrend pattern was beginning. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This is another 15-minute chart, and this shows the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. As you can see yesterday on the 2nd, this is just a 3-day chart. Each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. The candles bounced off the 200-day moving average, which is this red line. As you can see, support held, and then there was this nice bounce. The yellow line is the gold line here is the 100-day moving average, currently at 17, and that is the key level to break. Bulls, you'd like to see a break above the 100-day moving average, and then a break above the 50-day moving average at 17.4. Candles forming above the 50-day moving average in the 15-minute chart will equal more upside potential. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This chart is a daily chart, and each candle on this chart represents 1 day of trading. What this is showing over here is on the 24th, there was this move above EMAs 4 and 8 in the middle Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band is currently at 9 on this 0.09 on this chart, and so candles have been riding EMAs 4 and 8 support higher, so a new uptrend has begun. This candle here formed on the first trading day of December above the upper Bollinger Band. That was signaling that the move was frothy. I pointed that out in a previous video and charts, and then the candles have pulled back into the Bollinger Bands like they always do, and now there's a green candle and a bullish reversal pattern forming off of EMA 8 at 14 support. That's the green line, and that is the key level to hold. For the most bullish setup here, bulls would like to see the green line hold and then a retest of these August and September resistance levels. And if the green line breaks, that's going to put the middle Bollinger Band at 0.09 on deck. So as you can see, that's a pretty big drop between 14 and 9. So that is the trade for us. Is if we see EMA 8 break, we look to reload lower at 0.09, because as long as the middle Bollinger Band support level holds, the new uptrend should continue. So yeah, so this is the daily chart, and then if you look up here at Fasto, you'll see Fasto's at 46.93 and is pinched and set up to break into the 50 to 80 bull zone. So there's lots of juice to run here, and then you have RSI at 57.46. So that's not overbought until 70. So the 2-day pullback has corrected RSI and Fasto, and now both of these indicators have juice to run. They have room to run until overbought levels. What's keeping our interest here is the big volume. The volume is the key here. This is the as long as we see all this volume here, we want to continue with this trade. The volume, when the volume disappears, see, as you see here, there's this big volume here, right? and then volume disappeared and the trade went sideways. So as long as the volume sticks around, GBSN is still in play. You know, the key is to follow the volume in and follow the volume out. You don't want to be holding when there is no volume. Okay, this is the next chart and the last chart here, and this is another daily chart, and this shows the 50, the 100, and 200-day moving averages. And what I'd like to show you here is this break above the 50-day moving average on the 24th. This is a major bull signal for us. This is what we look for. We look for stocks that have been trading below the 50-day moving average for an extended period of time and then break above it. This is what we call the bull signal. This is telling us that there is more upside potential. As long as this 50-day moving average support level holds, that's going to equal more upside potential, and that puts this the next resistance level, simple moving average resistance level on this chart is this 100-day moving average at 80. So if the share price can bust through this August and September resistance levels, if you can get above this close here on this black candle, that's going to put up a possible run up to 80. So bulls, if you start seeing a close above 40, that really could get the juice going for a run up to 80, up to this 100-day moving average. So that's what we like to play, the 50 to the 100-day. This is a good zone here, and as long as this 50-day moving average holds, we're thinking that there's more upside potential and possible 100-day moving average resistance test in the future if August and September resistance levels break. Okay, thank you for viewing these charts. Please check out our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com and our website at mychartcoach.com as well. Hope you're having a great morning. Thanks for viewing this video.